The user Johnny here, and today we'll be taking a look at the Adidas Ultraboost Bape collaboration. Now your eyes do not deceive you, this is how my package came. Crazy to think that in 2019, double boxing is not a standard for all retailers. And even then, you would think they would make an exception for a sought after collaboration such as this. To their credit, Foot Patrol's customer service was top notch as they were able to quickly compensate me for the situation. This collaboration came out during Super Bowl weekend. It included 2 colorways, and I had opted to go with this one as it donned the infamous Bape Camo colors. The other one is identical to this, but it was done in black and gray. I just felt that if I was going to score on one of them, I might as well go all in and grab the one that best represented the Bape branding. One thing that is unique to this collaboration is that rather than screen printing the Bape Camo onto the upper, they opted to weave it onto the material. This is cool because you won't ever have to worry about the Bape Camo wearing off over time. The print is identical on both sides, and while I do appreciate the consistency, I wish they mix and match the prints. Each pair would have been cut from a different cut of fabric, ensuring that each pair had their own unique pattern. No one sneaker would have looked the same, thus giving each person the sense that they own a one-of-one pair. The sneaker is laced in black, and on the white tips you'll find Bape branding. This branding continues on the tongue as you'll find the Bape logo on one shoe and the Adidas logo on the other. The cage and heel are done in your typical black plastic. The cage is accented in white to help break the sneaker up, and the Ultraboost branding is done in a metallic gold. The insoles are also given the collaboration treatment as they are covered in Bape Camo. To round it out, the shoe sits atop a black printed Boost midsole. It uses the standard Continental rubber for the outsole, and here you'll notice the torsion system is accented in gold. While I appreciate the sneaker, I do wish they did more with it, especially since they charged $250 at retail. Other than the unique upper, there was nothing else to help make this collaboration stand out. Presentation was lackluster. It was just a plain black box with the logo slapped on it. Didn't come with any extra accessories such as extra laces or a dust bag. They didn't take any chances such as switching up the material on the cage or heel. Can you imagine if they printed the Bape Camo onto the midsole instead of sticking just to black, or maybe even accenting the cage in a metallic gold? It just seems that they decided to play it safe with this collaboration, and while there is nothing wrong with that, I just wish they took this opportunity to do something more. Well, that pretty much wraps up my thoughts on the sneaker. Let me know what you guys thought about it, and until next time, I'll catch you later.